Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if today is your first time, please click on that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and turn on your post notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you'll be notified. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the essential and most important thing that I do before I shampoo my hair, and that is the Preo treatment. There are different types of treatments you can use for your people. A lot of people use mask, deep conditioners, but I like to use a hot oil treatment for my people because this helps me and also has a lot of advantage to it, which I'm going to be sharing with you while I coat my hair with some good natural oil. So I like to start this section by section. Of course, my hair is always in sections, so it just makes the work easy. I just work on each of the twists that I've put in different sections, apply the oils, but I first like to spray my hair with some water. That is if my hair is not damp, maybe my hair is dry. I just mist my hair with some water just to keep it, damp. Then I now go ahead to use my oil. In today's video, I'm just using a coconut oil. I have done videos of where I use different oil, herbal oil. You can just do whatever oil works for you. So I apply that, coat it, generously into my hair strands. Then I twist that section back up and then put in a bantu knot just to get it out of the way. So one of the benefits that I've found with doing a hot oil treatment is improved scalp health. So this helps to nourish your hair follicles, moisturize your scalp, and it also helps you to open up the cuticle of your hair and nourish every strand of your hair. That is when applied with heat. So it's not enough to just use hot oil treatment, put your oils in the hot bath and then apply to your hair. You want to also apply heat, some form of heat. So what I practically do is just to cover my hair up with a plastic bag or my steaming cap and allow the goodness of those oils to penetrate deep into my scalp and my hair, because this natural oils contains a lot of nutrition benefits for our hair growth. So these hot oil treatments are very beneficial. In today's video, I'm just using coconut oil. Like, I love to use olive oil most of the time, but I ran out of my olive oil, so that is why I'm using coconut oil in this video. But whichever oil works for you, I guess the most important thing is in the way you use them. So these are natural oils. They can be olive oil, they can be jojoba oil, they can be rosemary oil. Add some essential oils to whatever oils that you want to use. It can even be an oil mix. This will help, infuse natural nutrients into your hair. The second thing will be that hot oil treatment can also be seen as a deep conditioning treatment because it helps to prevent split ends, breakage, and your hair tends to grow more healthier. So when I do this and I apply that gray out effect to it, my hair feels healthier, my hair feels stronger, and by the time I'm done with it, even after shampooing, I still see that shine on my hair strands. So it really does help. I found hot oil treatment to be medicinal. Yes, very medicinal, because the nutrient these oils carries, they are just too enormous. I'm going to just list out some of the benefits of these natural oils on your screen so that you can see. And also, I'm not going to tell you the kind of oil to use. Just do you. The oils that your hair loves, do you. That is it, guys. I just apply this thoroughly into my hair strands, coat every strand of my hair, twist that section, put it up in a bantu knot. The reason I'm putting it up in a bantu knot is just to make it easy for the steam to penetrate. So I just do that, put on my plastic cap. I got this from my local store around me, and it's also good. If you don't have this, you can use a regular shopping bag. So that is what I do, and then I use my steaming cap to seal everything all in so that goodness of those oils penetrates into my hair strands. There's no rule to what you can use as long as you're getting those good oils into your hair strands. This will prepare your hair for the shampoo process and not strip your hair of all that goodness. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.